Hello everyone! Do you want to create the most appealing contact forms on WordPress? Okay, sure, I know that perfect plugin. But before moving on, please subscribe to our channel, put your thumbs up, and don't forget to enjoy the video.
So tell me, do you want to get a contact form look like this? See how I went from this to this in minutes with the help of CF7 WOW Style Pro plugin. So let's first of all explore what the free version of this plugin offers, and then we'll go on to explore the Pro version and the amazing features that it offers. So this is the free version of CF7 WOW Style plugin, and here you can see the general functionalities that this plugin offers. So here you can see form text, form background image and color, form padding, margin and border, input fields, checkboxes and radio buttons, and custom CSS. So the free version, however, does not allow you to place background image. So here you can see that you need to upgrade to Pro, and radio buttons and checkboxes. These two are very important features in contact form styling. So if you want to upgrade your styling, then you will definitely need to go to the Pro version of CF7 WOW Style. And now let's explore the amazing feature that the Pro version of this plugin offers us. And now let's explore our Pro version and its amazing features. So here we can see all the settings available for our configurations and designing. And let's start with inserting a background image so that we can customize the other stuff such as the text, fonts, according to our background colors. So here we are uploading an image. I will choose this one. And here we can see that it does not perfectly match with our form length. So for this, we are in this size part choosing repeat vertical. And here we can see that it now perfectly matches our form. So afterwards, I want to say that what is unique about the Pro version is that you can embed the background image and background color. So here I can choose a background color. For example, let's say this part, and here we can see it will appear on my background image. So let's do with another color as well. So here you can see it appeared here, but I think I will go on with this one. So here it is good. Afterwards, let's go to our form text. So here we can obviously choose our text color. I'm gonna go a bit darker this time so that it is clearly visible. Then we can choose our font size and we can choose our font family. In this case, let's choose Arial to match with our brand. Afterwards, you can also choose your link color, link hover color, etc. if you have a link displaying here. But if you're not, then you can just simply skip this part. You can also choose your font weight and font style for links. Afterwards, we can go to form padding, margin and border. So it is important because it is the distance between these borders and between the lines, etc. So here let's choose this padding and turn it to 25, and here you can see the difference. Afterwards, let's go to this margin and let's make this to 20. Because I want it to be a bit further, yes, away. Afterwards, you can choose the border width. So these all are the borders. And here you can see that I set everything to 1 and 5, which is this. So I think I'm gonna make it 10 so that you can see the difference. And then I will again change it to 5, or I think this is great this way too. So you can also choose your border type here. I'm gonna stick to solid, but you can choose, for example, dotted, and here you can see how it changes here. But I think I'm gonna stick to solid. Here you can again customize the color. I'm gonna go a bit darker this time. And if you want to display a shadow, then you can also choose some designing options for your shadow. Afterwards, we go to input fields, and our input fields are this. So for background color, I will stay with white, but let me choose another color so that you can see how it changes. So here, but I think the white is the one that perfectly matches with our contact form. And also you can choose the text color. So for example, if you type here, you can see that it is this color, but let's change it to black so that you can see how it changes. So now it is black. So you can change basically everything that you want about your contact form with the CF7 WOW Style Pro version. So you can also choose the padding here and border, the distance between them, and also shadow again if you want it. If not, then just skip this part. So the other important part, checkboxes and radio buttons. So our checkboxes and radio buttons are this. So these are currently radio buttons because checkbox is allowed to check several boxes. So this part is very important because it determines the way your checkboxes and radio buttons are ordered. So we have radio buttons here, and it says make radio button item 1 per line. So I said yes, but you can see that if you change it, you can see that it has now this designing, but I think it is more structured and beautifully aligned with the yes option when you have everything in one line. I think it is beautiful this way. So, and here we have a checkbox here, but since it is one, it does not matter which one we choose. So also you can choose your label font size here, and that's it from here. And here from you can choose your buttons. So we have one button here, which is our submit. So you can make it full length, or you can choose no, and it will be only like this small one. But I think it is good with the wide one. So I think this I will let this way. Then again, you can choose the colors of your buttons, and again if you want to display a shadow, again choose a shadow. And that's it from this buttons section. And the other important feature here is the custom CSS. So if you do not find your customization preferences here, then you can go to custom CSS and write your code here and get the design that you really want. So the other important feature that the Pro version has is that it allows to design different forms at the same time. So I have the satisfaction survey form here, and then I can go to my contact form, and here I can customize it again to my preferences. Here I again can choose my background color, delete this, and get a whole different thing here. What is also unique about the Pro version of CF7 WOW Styler is that you can style schemes. So here right next to the save button we have this plus, and here you can name your input style scheme title, and you can apply it to the other styles. For example, let's go to our satisfaction survey form. And here I will, for example, create, and I will name this flawless, let's say, flawless survey. And I can create this, and I can copy this current style to my schemes. And now, so you can see that the one that I was creating here, it applied to my satisfaction survey form immediately. So this is a very useful feature so that you can do everything easily. And if you want to keep your website in one style, then you can use this feature and apply it to all your forms immediately. So here you can also see some other preview options. So you can choose this live, and it will show you how it will be live. then you can go to unstyled and it will show the unstyled version of your contact form, and you can duplicate it. And here you can duplicate your contact form, and again you will have it available here. And if you like the features that CF7 WOW Style plugin offers, then you will simply need to go to add new plugins, type here WOW Style, and it will appear right in the beginning. So you will need to install and activate here, and you can find it here from contacts to CF7 Style. And that's it. Enjoy the pro version of CF7 WOW Style plugin.
That was it, guys, and I hope this video was useful. And if you still have any questions concerning CF7 WOW Styler, then don't forget to drop them in the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye!